Meaning of fate.
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 Fate. Fate refers to a predetermined outcome or destiny that is believed to be controlled by a supernatural power or force. It suggests that events in our lives are predetermined and beyond our control, often leading to a sense of resignation or acceptance. The concept of fate has been explored extensively in literature and philosophy, and has been interpreted in different ways by different cultures and individuals throughout history. While some people embrace the idea of fate as a guiding force in their lives, others reject it and believe in the power of free will to shape their own destiny.